Hey everyone, this is Ahmad, and welcome back to CodeBooks Academy. Today we're diving into a game-changing way to use AI in product management, analyzing user feedback instantly and at scale. What if I told you that every complaint, comment, and rating your users leave is a goldmine, and AI can dig it out for you? As product managers, we're buried in feedback, emails, support tickets, surveys, app store reviews, and it never stops. But here's the thing. We miss patterns because we're human. AI, it doesn't. Imagine uploading a CSV of customer feedback into a tool, like ChatGPT or MonkeyLearn, and in seconds, you get top 5 user pain points, sentiment breakdown, feature requests grouped by theme. Big players are already doing this. It's how they know what to build next and what bugs to fix first. No more scrolling through 300 angry reviews just to find out your button is broken. Let AI read the rage for you. Start small. Drop your feedback into ChatGPT or try a tool like Thematic or User Voice with GPT support. You'll be amazed what surfaces. Your users are already telling you what to do next. AI just helps you listen faster. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more AI tips.